Welcome to Gardening and Galoshes. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of air layer grafting for fruit trees. If you've ever dreamt of growing your own fruit trees but felt overwhelmed by traditional methods, air layering could be your answer. It's an ancient technique, ideal for creating new trees with minimal skill required. Let's break it down. Air layering involves encouraging a branch on a parent tree to form roots while still attached to the tree. Start by selecting a healthy branch, about the thickness of a pencil. Make a shallow cut around the branch, forming a complete circle to remove a strip of bark, approximately 1 to 2 inches wide. The removal of the bark prevents nutrients from traveling downward, stimulating new growth at that spot. Next, apply rooting hormone to the exposed area to enhance root development. Wrap the cut section with moist sphagnum moss, ensuring it's tightly packed around the wound. This moss maintains moisture and provides a medium for roots to grow. Secure this using a plastic wrap or aluminum foil to keep the moisture in and the rain out. Secure the wrap tightly at both ends using twist ties or string. This setup allows you to monitor root development. Over several weeks to a few months, you will notice roots forming within the wrap. Keep checking periodically for root growth. How can you tell when it's ready? Look for roots filling the moss, which signal it's time to cut below the new roots and pot it up. Gently remove the new plant, keeping the moss intact around the roots. Transfer it into a pot with quality potting soil, water thoroughly, and place it in a shaded location to lessen transplant shock. Over time, gradually introduce it to sunnier conditions. Eventually, you'll have a strong, young tree ready to thrive in your garden or orchard. Air layering is not only straightforward but also rewarding, offering a high success rate for creating new fruit trees. Whether you're a budding gardener or an experienced horticulturist, this method can be a valuable addition to your gardening toolkit. Now we'll explore the fascinating process of overwintering pepper plants, a technique to help your beloved plants survive the chilly months and burst back to life in spring. As temperatures drop, it's time to prepare your pepper plants for a restful winter indoors, safeguarding them from frost and harsh weather. First, select healthy and strong pepper plants for overwintering. Inspect your plants for any signs of disease or pest infestations. Only opt for the robust ones since they have a better chance of surviving the colder months. Before bringing them inside, prune the plants by trimming back excess foliage and any dead or damaged leaves. This helps reduce stress and prevents pests from hitching a ride into your home. Next, carefully dig up your pepper plants. Ensure you retain as much of the root system as possible to avoid plant shock. Shake off excess soil and place them into suitable containers with fresh potting mix, ensuring proper drainage. Now it's time to pick the right indoor spot. Peppers require a balance of warmth and light, so aim for a sunny windowsill or consider using grow lights to supplement natural sunlight. The temperature should ideally remain above 55 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 Celsius to keep them happy. During the overwintering period, water your plants sparingly. Overwatering is a common mistake, as the plants reduce their growth and water requirements are lower. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings, but ensure it doesn't become bone dry. Watch out for any pests like aphids or spider mites. Regular checks will enable early action and help keep infestations at bay. As spring approaches and the risk of frost diminishes, slowly reintroduce your pepper plants to the great outdoors. Gradually acclimate them by placing them outside for a few hours during the day, increasing exposure over several days to prevent sunburn and stress. This transition prepares them for a productive spring in your garden, and there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enjoying robust pepper plants year after year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!